So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum inside of your tax-free savings account or your TFSA here on Wealthsimple Trade. And before I get into this, if you haven't signed up for Wealthsimple Trade, I'll show you guys here quickly my referral link. By using this referral link, when you're signing up, you get some free money, I get some free money, and then you enter for a chance to win in $1,000,000 home. So that's pretty neat. But go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass, then go to the top, press on search. Now I want you to go ahead and type in the following ticker symbol, ETHX. Once you're here, go to the top, ETHX.B. So what you guys are doing right here is you have an Ethereum ETF. Go to the bottom left, press on select an account, make sure that your TFSA or your tax-free savings account is selected, and then go to the bottom right and press on buy. On this page, you can type in the amount of shares you want to buy. So one share in this case is this much. If you want a fractional buy, you can go ahead, type in the amount, and it'll show you the shares. And if you want to proceed, press on review. And if all looks good to you, you want to proceed with the transaction, go to the bottom, press on, in my case, Q order, or press on buy, and then finalize the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy the Ethereum, or how to buy Ethereum inside of your TFSA on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.